In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email signature in Outlook in just 5 minutes. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to go to the Outlook login page. If you don't have the link handy, you can easily find it by searching for Outlook login in your web browser, and it should be one of the top results. Once you're on the page, you'll see an option to sign in. Click on that and enter your credentials if you haven't logged in already. This will take you directly to your Outlook mailbox, which is where all the magic happens. Now that we're in our mailbox, let's move on to setting up that signature. Find the new mail button, which is typically located at the top left corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that button, which will open a new email draft. This is where you'll be composing your new messages. Once you are in the draft window, direct your attention to the menu on the top. You'll see several options there. What you're looking for is the Insert option. Click on that and a drop down menu will appear with different tools you can insert into your email. In this drop down menu, find and select Signature. When you click on Signature, another menu will appear and you'll want to choose Signatures from there. This opens up the Signatures and Stationery window where we can customize our email signature. With this window open, it's time to create your signature. Click on New to start creating a fresh signature. You can name this signature anything you like to help you easily identify it later, especially if you plan on creating more than one signature for different purposes. Once you've named it, you can start designing your signature in the text box provided. This is where you can add your name, title, company, phone number, or any other information that your recipients might find useful. Feel free to use the formatting toolbar to change fonts, add colors, or even insert hyperlinks to make your signature more visually appealing and professional. After you're satisfied with how your signature looks, take a quick moment to assign it to your emails. Below the text box, there's a section for default signatures. Here, you have the option to set how your signature will appear, either automatically attached to new emails, replies, and forwards, or both. Finally, after everything is set up the way you like it, click OK to save your changes and close the Signatures and Stationery window. You've now successfully created and added a professional email signature to your Outlook account. Congratulations on enhancing your emails with a touch of personal branding. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.